And now, ladies and gentlemen, the one and only.
I did stop halfway. Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you guys can tell, I'm doing a cleaning vlog. I told myself that after classes were over and the spring semester was done with, I would finally stop procrastinating and take the time to organize, declutter the things that I've been putting off, and just overall clean my space. You guys are going to see in the final results how everything turned out, and I'm so much happier now. So without further ado, let's get to the video.
What the dog doing?
I think I'm gonna get one of these type of bins. I only have this one, and I want one that's like smaller so that I can separate my stuff. This is so cute for perfumes. So luckily there's not too much on the surface of my vanity, but what's really gonna take the most time is cleaning up each and every drawer that's in here. I have not touched the inside of my vanity in such a long time, so this is probably gonna take us a while. But yeah, let's get this going before I take any longer. I'm gonna move towards my bedsides. I forgot to film me cleaning this part of my counter, but now I'm going to rearrange this whole area because a lot of my photos are kind of just placed in random spots, and I want to make it look a little bit less cluttery. I know that's supposed to be the vibe, but there's a lot of empty spaces, a lot of parts where like the photos are just clumped together, And then I also want to take everything out and declutter everything. Going through all my cabinets and finding all these journals just made me want to get back into journaling again. And one of the journals that I would really recommend if you guys also want to start getting into journaling is the gratitude journal. I found this journal at Target, and what makes this journal so effective is that it already has a variety of questions and prompts that you can answer. So instead of you being confused or not knowing what to write, this process makes it so much easier and beginner friendly. If you are a hopeless romantic, I would definitely take a read on this one. I did stop halfway. I'm definitely gonna get back into this book. I went to this Korean K-pop class and they gave us this paper and we translated these terms.
What the dog doing?
I still have a few photo cards and stickers left to put on here, but I ran out of clips, so that's gonna have to wait. For now, I'm just gonna leave them over here on the side. I'm gonna move on to my other side. The things that I have here are just things that I don't have a place for. Right now I'm at my vanity and I want to show you guys how I have my drawers right now. I think I'm gonna take this whole thing and just like put it up somewhere because I just don't like it. I feel like it doesn't fit anywhere in my room anymore. And everything that was on it, I put here in this little box.
What the dog doing?
if you stuck around and made it to the end, thank you for watching. This is probably gonna be the last cleaning video I make in a while just because I've made so many up to this point. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video.